Hello guys, good evening. Ayan, my baby. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my vlog. Thank you so much. Please like my channel. Hello guys. Mga baby ko guys. Oh.
Kawawang elepante ay nahulog sa malalim na balutan malapit ng malunod. Nasugatan pa ito matapos mahulog. Na ginagawa.
Hi everyone. Hi. May bagyo dito guys. Pero tahimik siya ngayon, kanina ang lakas ng ulan. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching everyone and God bless.